I mean, for 850 bucks, you can't complain. How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to EV Garage. Today I'm going to be going over the N-Fab bumper on my 2009 Toyota Tundra. I'm going to be going in depth on a few things about the bumper, pros, cons, price, shipping, just everything about the bumper to give you guys some info before you buy. Just to give you guys a quick, if you're just looking for a quick answer, yes, 100% worth it. Best purchase I've made on the truck out of everything. That and the sound system. Bounce back and forth, but it was such a great purchase. I'm gonna play some B-roll shots real quick of it, and then we'll hop into more about the bumper. Before we hop into more about the bumper, I want to let you guys know this is 100% my honest review on the N-Fab bumper. N-Fab is not making me say or do any of this. This is my 100% honest review that is not sponsored video. So, I have this little list here. I'm going to go down quite a few things about this bumper, and we're going to hop in with the most important part, which is price. As you guys know, on all trucks, especially with Toyotas, aftermarket parts are expensive, and bumpers are no exception. They can run all the way up to $2,500 to $3,000, $1,500 for some normal ones, and then there's this, the N-Fab bumper, which I got for $850. Straight from N-Fab, it's $850 on their website. I bought mine through Bumper Superstore because they have a warehouse here in Phoenix. I'm in Arizona, so they could get it to me real quick. It was on back order, so it took a couple weeks for them to make it and then get it out to me, but shipping was free. It got here quick, and I am super happy with the price. Which also leads us into the next category, which I'm going to be talking about, which is pros and cons. So first we're going to start off with the pros. Biggest one, obviously, we already went over, price. You cannot beat that price with some of the bumpers out there. And then the build quality for that price. You're paying cheap for a bumper, and you don't expect amazing build quality, but N-Fab did it. This is a really well-built bumper. Just an overall sturdy bumper. I can't tell you how many times I've been off-roading and hit a pretty big rock with this bumper, and nothing, not a single ding, not a single scratch either. The whole bumper is powder coated. You can either get it in this gloss black, like what I chose, or you can get a textured black. I'm just a fan of the gloss since I can wax it and it's just a regular powder coat. But yeah, it's just really well built. It bolted straight on to the factory bolts. Installation was super simple. Just had to grab me and my brother, and we lifted up the new bumper and bolted straight on both sides there. I added some Loctite just for security, but yeah, they haven't came loose at all. Also part of the installation is putting on the skid plate, which I love. I love the look of it when in the sun. You can see the reflection of the N-Fab on the bottom, but it's a very sturdy skid plate, thick metal right there. It just bolts straight on. Another really cool pro, which I love about this bumper, is the mounting for light bars. So you can put the round pod light bars. I can show you a photo right now of what that looks like, or you can go with the two rigid light bars, which I'll show you what that looks like, and then what I'm running is just one single light bar. I already have my pods and the roof light bar. I didn't see a need for two more. I might go that route eventually, but who knows. Yeah, just overall pros go on and on. This is a great bumper, you guys. But the cons, I have two major cons. When you are bolting on the new bumper, you can see right there, I hope you guys can see, but when you torque down the bolts to make sure they're tight, the powder coat does kind of bubble up and chip a little bit. Nothing too revealing, plus it's all tucked under there when you look at it from the front, so nobody would even tell unless they're really looking. But yeah, the powder coated chips when you put on those bolts. And the side view gives your truck somewhat of like an underbite. It's kind of funny looking, but eventually when I got over that, That was my biggest con when I first got it. I thought it was flush against it because on the new Tundras it is flush against it. On these older models it sticks out a little bit. But yeah, those are really my only two cons with the bumper. Next we are going to be talking about the 6-month review. So 6 months of ownership of this bumper. Since I got it at my door, it's almost exactly 6 months. Yeah, like I said before, not a single chip, not a single scratch. Powder coat is holding up great. Very sturdy, no dents in the skid plate, and it's super easy to clean. It washes just like the truck because it's just a gloss. Yeah, 6-month review, very happy with it. Like I already mentioned, the light bars you can run has a bunch of different options, which just makes it more of a diverse, you can kind of specialize it the way you like. In my opinion, I've never seen another Tundra bumper that just gives it this such an aggressive look. Like, I'll throw up some more photos like you saw in the thumbnail right now. It just changes the way the Tundra looks dramatically. It is nuts how much my truck changed just from this. Gives it that pre-runner look where you can see the tires from the front, especially if you get a lift. I'm only running a leveling kit and it already looks aggressive. So I can't even imagine if you have a 4-inch lift or even the 6-inch lift with this bumper. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little video telling you more about the bumper. If you guys want to have an install video, I can give that to you guys. Even though it's quite simple, I'm still willing to take it off and then show you how to reinstall. Or if you guys want a video on how to install these light bars so they're clean, yeah, just let me know in the description. But wanted to give you guys a quick review on this bumper. I'm super happy with it, and if you're looking into buying it, don't hesitate. It's a solid bumper, especially for the price. So yes, it is worth it. But yeah, that's how I'm going to sum up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.